Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series. Today, we explore the transformation of Fu Sheng Gardening, a Taiwanese company that boldly transitioned from wholesale to retail. Seeking to capture emerging market opportunities, Fu Sheng redefined its business model to focus on direct consumer engagement and a revitalized product lineup. This strategic shift demanded more than just a new storefront. It required operational overhauls, from supply chain optimization to comprehensive staff retraining. The company had to build new capabilities to meet the dynamic expectations of retail customers while maintaining efficiency and quality. This case illustrates how operational alignment and agility are vital in executing successful business model transitions. Fu Sheng Gardening's strategic pivot from wholesaler to retailer was driven by market saturation and the desire for higher profit margins. The company anticipated increased brand visibility and direct customer engagement. This transformation required significant operational changes, including supply chain adjustments and retail strategy development, to meet new consumer demands and maintain competitive advantage. Fu Sheng Gardening has built a solid foundation as a prominent supplier in Taiwan's competitive flower market. Specializing in orchids, lilies, and seasonal blooms, the company has established strong business-to-business relationships with event planners and florists, earning a reputation for consistent quality and reliability. Fu Sheng faces a 12% margin decline in wholesale due to competition and logistics costs. However, there's a 35% premium potential in retail for specialty arrangements. With a projected almost 5.2 billion growth in Taiwan's premium flower retail sector over 5 years, these pressures and opportunities drive Fu Sheng to explore direct consumer channels. Direct customer access allows for building relationships and capturing feedback, enhancing brand development. Eliminating intermediaries increases margins by capturing more of the value chain. Channel control enables management of presentation, pricing, and customer experience, fostering a distinctive identity and customer loyalty beyond commodity status. Fu Sheng's transformation vision includes establishing 3 flagship stores in bustling urban areas, integrating experiential design to enhance customer engagement. Their e-commerce platform, featuring a custom website and mobile app, offers seamless ordering and subscription services. A hybrid fulfillment model combines existing wholesale facilities with new retail logistics capabilities, ensuring efficient operations and customer satisfaction. Flowers, with a shelf life of just 5 to 7 days, pose significant inventory challenges. Quality degrades immediately post-harvest, and forecasting errors can lead to total loss. Seasonal demand fluctuations necessitate adaptive planning. Fu Sheng had to overhaul its inventory systems to ensure retail success, addressing these unique perishability issues effectively. Fu Sheng invested $12 million in cold chain optimization, enhancing flower freshness by 30%. A just-in-time delivery system reduced stockholding time from 36 to 19 hours. Predictive analytics, with 82% accuracy, forecast demand using 24 months of sales data. A waste reduction program cut costs by 45% through secondary processing. The unified inventory system integrates physical and online stock in real time, eliminating double-selling issues. Click-and-collect options enhance customer convenience, boosting in-store visits and cutting delivery expenses. Data-driven personalization tracks customer preferences across channels, offering tailored recommendations and occasion reminders, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. Fu Sheng's sustainability initiatives, such as biodegradable packaging reducing plastic use by 76%, local sourcing to minimize carbon footprint, and water recycling systems, have differentiated them in the premium retail market. Their compost program for unsold flowers creates a closed-loop system, resonating with urban Taiwanese consumers and fostering brand loyalty. Fu Sheng's strategic transformation led to a significant financial impact. Retail revenue surpassed wholesale by Q5, marking a pivotal profitability crossover. Despite initial investment hurdles, the shift to retail proved lucrative, demonstrating the effectiveness of their sustainability-driven approach in capturing market share and enhancing financial performance. Customer satisfaction reached 92%, with high Net Promoter Score scores reflecting strong experiences. Brand recognition increased by 68%, enhancing unaided awareness. A 24% premium pricing was sustained over market averages. Employee satisfaction improved 3.2 times, indicating better engagement post-transformation from wholesale-only operations. The initial store layout focused on aesthetics, neglecting operational efficiency, leading to costly renovations. Wholesale staff lacked retail skills, causing negative reviews and retraining expenses. E-commerce platform development exceeded budget by 40% and launched 3 months late, highlighting significant challenges in transitioning from wholesale to retail operations. Fu Sheng's transformation highlights the importance of a clear strategic vision and acquiring new skills. Infrastructure upgrades, both physical and digital, are crucial. Operational excellence through process optimization and measurement is key. A cultural shift from business to consumer is essential for success. These elements collectively ensure a seamless transition from wholesale to retail operations. Thank you for learning with Skilled MBA. Skilled MBA provides in-depth business education through practical case studies, such as Fu Sheng Gardening's transition from wholesale to retail. Access our website for resources on supply chain strategy, retail operations, and business transformation. For further inquiries, contact us at supportskilledmba.com or call +91 87553 0795.